Welcome to the future of aerial photography and versatile drone applications. This is the Aeroo Pro, the most advanced, easy-to-fly, multi-purpose consumer drone on the market. Whether you're capturing breathtaking 4K Ultra HD video, delivering packages, or exploring new creative and practical uses, the Aeroo Pro is here to elevate your experience. The Aeroo Pro is designed to withstand the elements. Its 50 centimeters reinforced, weather-resistant frame can fly in harsh 50 km/h winds and endure constant exposure to saltwater environments. This drone isn't just built for performance, it's built to last. At the heart of the Aeroo Pro is its 4K Ultra HD camera, paired with a smooth 3-axis gimbal. Capture vibrant cinematic video and stunning photos in incredible detail. And with up to 6x digital zoom, you can get close to the action without compromising quality. Compare the image quality of the Aeroo Pro to other drones in its class, and you'll instantly see the difference. The level of detail and color accuracy is simply unmatched. Takeoff is smooth and effortless, thanks to the intelligent flight modes. Even in windy conditions, the drone maintains remarkable stability. The WaveSync transmission system delivers a crystal-clear 2.7K live video feed, giving you complete control and confidence. From payload stability to active tracking and waypoint missions, the Aeroo Pro offers a range of intelligent flight modes to suit your needs. The drone's ability to hover precisely on the spot, even without constant control, is a testament to its advanced technology. Battery life is crucial for any drone, and the Aeroo Pro doesn't disappoint. With up to 45 minutes of flight time per battery, you can explore vast areas without worrying about running out of power. The interchangeable AI flight batteries make swapping a breeze, ensuring uninterrupted flight time. The Aeroo Pro is packed with intelligent flight modes for every application. Enjoy payload stability, drop point save, active track follow, and waypoint missions, with an impressive range of up to 10 kilometers. Experience real-time scouting and cinematic footage like never before. And with safety features like automatic return to home, emergency payload release, and multiple vision sensors, the Aeroo Pro knows exactly where it is and what it's doing at all times. Take off, fly out, return home, and land, all at the press of a single button. Let go of the remote, and the drone will hover on the spot, even in high winds. It's out of the box and in the air in under a minute. The Aeroo Pro goes beyond photography. With ultra-heavy lift motors and industrial-strength components, you can pick up, deliver, and drop 1-kilogram payloads at the press of a button. Perfect for fishing, delivery, or any creative application you can imagine. The Aeroo Pro is more than just a drone. It's a gateway to endless possibilities. With a price of just $899, whether you're a filmmaker, adventurer, or someone looking to explore new creative possibilities, the Aeroo Pro has something for everyone. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear how you plan to use the Aeroo Pro in your own projects. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content.